Today I'm going to show you how to change your wiper blades. First, lift the wiper arm away from the windshield and depress the small tab on the underside of the wiper where it meets the wiper arm. When the tab is depressed, slide the wiper blade off the arm by pulling downward. Windshield wiper blades come in many sizes, even on the same car. Make sure you look in your car's owner manual, measure the blade, or you can always ask at your auto parts store to make sure you're going to get the proper fit for your new windshield wiper blades before you buy them. Wiper blades are vehicle specific. The passenger and driver's side wiper blades are the same size on some vehicles, while in others they are vastly different. The best wiper blade sizes for each of your wipers are selected for the proper fitment and to clear the most area of the windshield as possible. Wiper blades should be replaced every 6 months to a year, or as soon as you notice a difference in driving visibility. The average cost to replace wiper blades is going to be about $12 to $16, but some of the more premium blades like Bosch or Rain-X, they're going to be a little closer to the $20 price point. Only replace your wiper blades with the size of blades specified by the manufacturer to ensure proper fitment and to prevent damage.